We're going to go back to the junior card now. This will be entry 474. Hooverphonic Odeveld, 3 Phillips rides.
Go Suey! I know you're probably laying in bed watching this, and I just want you to know how much I love you and how proud I am of you. What a totally cool person you are. Bloop. It's up. It's so funny how he spooks himself when he hits the pole.
That'll be a clear round just within that 79-second time allowed, 78.
Woo!
2. So Serenity will head to that jump off round.
Go Seaweed!
Junior card.
34034. Get it. Get it. Why does it sound like I hear a goat? Woo!
Round at a time of 37.559. Clear.
Good job.
And it looks like third.
Good job, Serenity. You might get a ribbon. I love you, baby. I'm so proud of you.